Welcome to Learning for Kids. Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn small alphabets A to Z, and we are going to write these small alphabets, and these are all the color pencils. Let's learn the names. Brown color, green color, black color, sky blue color, red color, yellow color, violet color, blue color, red pink color, orange color, pink color, and green color. Let's draw the small alphabets. Light pink color, A, small A for apple. Blue color, B for ball. Violet color, C for cat, C-A-T, cat. Green color, D for dog, D-O-G, dog. Yellow color, E for egg, E-G-G, egg. Orange color, F for fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Light pink color, G for goat, G for goat. Light green color, H for hat, H for hat. Brown color, I for ink, I for ink. Black color, J for jar, J for jar. Sky blue color, K for kite, K for kite. Red color, L for lion. Light pink color, M for mango. Blue color, N for nest. Black color, O for orange, O for orange. Violet color, P for parrot, P for parrot. Green color, Q for queen, Q for queen. Brown color, R for rose. Yellow color, S for sunflower. Orange color, T for table. Pink color, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Green color, V for van, V for van. Sky blue color, W for watermelon. Red color, X for X-ray. Light pink color, Y for yellow paint. Blue color, Z for zebra. Okay, let's learn the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.